Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a square root symbol in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put a square root symbol in this document. Firstly, click the page. Then go to the insert menu. Then click equation option. Then go to the design menu of equation tools. Then click radical. Then choose the root symbol and write anything on the box. Now we can see here we put square root symbol very easily. You can increase the font size, go back the home menu and increase the font size. And color the text or root symbol, click the font color, then choose any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.